Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp video not sending. So if WhatsApp videos are not sending, it usually relates to an issue with your network, file size or app settings. Here is a step by step how you can fix that. So first I want you to check your internet connection to make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. So there is a way to see if the problem is in your connection or internet. You can go to Instagram, for example, and send a picture or a video an Instagram app, and if it's sent, so the problem is on WhatsApp and not your internet. Otherwise, you can go to your settings, and after that I want you just to go to storage, and tap on storage and see if your storage is full. So if it's full, you need to clean or clear up your storage to send videos or pictures or even audios on WhatsApp. If you have space on your storage and the video is doesn't want to be sent, you need to check if you don't have the last updates of WhatsApp. So you need to go into your App Store or Play Store and check and type on the search bar WhatsApp and check if there is any new updates. For example, I have the update, so by tapping on updates I will update the app, and then I will tap on open. So once I tap on open, okay, just wait a little bit. Once I tap on open, I will get through my WhatsApp and I will check if my video has been sent or not. So if it's not, there is another solution. You can go into your settings and right here look for apps, scroll down, and you will see the apps option right here. Tap on it, and okay, and right here select or tap on the second option, manage apps, and right here go to the search bar here, right here on the top, and type WhatsApp. And here, as you can see, clear data on the bottom right side. Tap on it and tap on clear cache. For 100% it will work for you, at least one solution. So that's the video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.